Welcome back, children. So we can continue how to solve the system of equations using matrix method. So here solve means we have to find the values of x and y. Here we have only two equations and two unknowns. Using matrix method we have to solve. So first we express this as matrices. So first matrix is write the coefficients 2, minus 1, 3, 4. Then next is always a column matrix x, y. Then only when we multiply these two we get this equations. Minus 2, 3. Okay. The next step we write this one is a into x is equal to b. Where a means A is the 2 by 2 matrix and x is the column matrix and b is the column matrix minus 2, 3. Now the unknown part is x. So we have to find x. How we find x? That is A inverse into b. The proof is we multiply pre-multiplying by A inverse on both sides. So A inverse into A becomes I into x becomes x, and here A inverse into b. So you have to learn this. X is equal to A inverse into b. And don't write b here and A inverse second, because matrix multiplication not always commutative. So write like this always. X is equal to A inverse into b. So first we have to find A inverse. B is already here. A inverse means adjoint of A by determinant A. So we have to find determinant A. What is determinant A? Determinant 2 minus 1, 3, 4. That is 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11, not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. That is A is non-singular. If determinant A not equal to 0, we get a unique solution. Otherwise, we won't get unique solution. So now the next step is adjoint of A. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So just interchange 2 and 4. Change the sign of minus 1 and 3. That is adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by 11 of 4, 1, 3, 2. That is A inverse. Now what is x? X is equal to A inverse into B. So 1 by 11, 4, 1, 3, 2 into B. What is B? Minus 2, 3. So what about the answer? 2 by 2 matrix into 2 by 1 matrix. So answer will be a 2 by 1 matrix. That is a column matrix. So 4, 1, first row into first column. 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3. Now the next row, 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into, okay, here I didn't put the minus sign. Okay. Then here we have outside 1 by 11. So it's a 2 by 1 matrix. So 1 by 11 of 4 into minus 2 plus 3, that is minus 5. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So we can write minus 5 by 11 and 12 by 11. Now, so what is x? This capital X means the matrix small x, small y, column matrix, that's equal to minus 5 by 11 and 12 by 11. So which implies x is equal to, equating two matrices of same order, corresponding elements are equal, and y is equal to 12 by 11. Okay. Now the next question. It's a, here we have three equations. So first we write matrices 2, write the coefficients only 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then in the last equation x term is not here, so we write 0x, x is not here, so 0, then 3 and minus 5. Now the next column matrix, here we have 3 unknowns x, y, z, then right hand side column matrix 1, 3 by 2 and 9. So we can write this as A into x is equal to B. So x is equal to A inverse into B. So first step is you have to find determinant A. That is determinant 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 5. So that's equal to 2 into, expanding along R1, 2 into determinant, minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5, then minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 0 minus 5, then last element 1 into 1 minus 2, 0, 3. Then multiply. So 2 into 10 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3. That is 26 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 34. It is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular, hence unique solution exists. So next is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, first element, delete the row and column. So we get this minus 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5. 10 plus 3 is 13. The next element 1 minus 1, 0 minus 5, that is minus 5, but we have to change the sign. Third one is 3, it is positive 3. Now next row 1. 1 is 1, 1, 3 minus 5. 1, 1, 3 minus 5. That is minus 8. But change the sign 8. Now minus 2 is 2, 1, 0 minus 5. That is minus 10. Now what about the third element? The next element is 3. 3, when we take 3, delete the row and column. So 2, 1, 1 minus 1. That is minus 3. But change the sign, it is 3. And the last element is minus 5. So 2, 1, 1 minus 2. That's equal to minus 5. So check once again. So this is adjoint of A. Now A inverse into B we have to do. So A inverse means 1 by 34 of adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. That is A inverse. So what is X? X is equal to A inverse into B. 1 by 34 of 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3. 3 minus 6 minus 5 into the next column matrix. What is the column matrix? X. X is equal to 1, 3 by 2, 9. Sorry, B is equal to 1, 3 by 2, 9. Okay. So 1 by 34 of, first multiply. 13 into 1 plus 8 into 3 by 2 plus 1 into 9. Then 5 into 1 minus 10 into 3 by 2 plus 3 into 9. Then 3 into 1 minus 6 into 3 by 2 minus 5 into 9. So 1 by 34 of, this 2 cancel. 13 plus 12, that is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. 27 plus 5 is 32. 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15 is 17. Now the last element is 3 minus 9 minus 45. 45 plus 9 is equal to 54. 54 and minus 3 is 51. That is minus sign. Okay. Now we have to divide each one. So x means x, y, z. That's equal to 34 by 34, 17 by 34 and minus 51 by 34. So x, y, z, which implies 1 by 2, 51 by 34, 51 is 17 into 3, this is 17 into 2, so minus 3 by 2. So which implies x is equal to 1, y is equal to half and z is equal to minus 3 by 2. You can verify this answer by substituting these in one of the equations. You can verify. Okay. So first step is you have to find determinant A. It will be not equal to 0. This is a 6-mark question. Very important question. So you will get, definitely you will get a unique solution, that is determinant A always not equal to 0. Then find adjoint of A, find A inverse, then x is equal to A inverse into B. You will get final answer. Okay. Then next one, look this question. A is equal to matrix 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. Find A inverse. First step is find A inverse. Then using that A inverse solve the system of equations. 3 equations are given. So look here. Equations when we write in matrix form. First we write coefficients of x, y, z in a matrix. So 2 minus 3 5. Next is 3 2 minus 4. Then 1 1 minus 2. Then we have here x, y, z. And right hand side 11 minus 5 minus 3. So look, compare these two matrices. Both are same. So usually solve the question, solve the system of equations means we write like this. Then after that we write x is equal to b, then x is equal to A inverse into b. So here the first step is we find A inverse. That inverse you have to substitute here and multiply. So first we can find A inverse. So before A inverse find determinant A, expanding along R1, 2 into minus 4 plus 4 plus 3 into minus 6 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. So that's equal to, first term is 0 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 . So A inverse exists. Okay. Now find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, for the first element it is 0, second element minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2, change the sign, so it is 2. The last element, that is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 is positive. Next row, minus 3, 5, 1 minus 2. That is 6 minus 5, that's equal to 1, but change the sign, minus 1. Then next element 2, minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9. This element 2 plus 3, that is 5, change the sign, it is minus 5. Then last row, 12 minus 10, that is 2, positive 2. For this one, minus 8 minus 15. 15 and 8 is 23. minus 23, and you have to change the sign, so it is positive 23. The last element 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Now A inverse is equal to 1 by, it is 1 by minus 1 of this one, that is 0 minus 1 2, 2 minus 9 23, that is multiplying by minus 1, 0 1 minus 2, minus 2 9, minus 23, minus 1 5, minus 30. So that is A inverse. Now equation, we have to solve the equations. So equations we have to write in matrix form. 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, and 1 1 minus 2 into x y z, that is column matrix, equal to 11 minus 5 minus 3. So we write this as Ax is equal to B, which implies x is equal to A inverse into B. Now substitute for A inverse and B. What is A inverse? 0 1 minus 2, minus 2 9, minus 23 into B. B is multiply, 0 into 11 is 0, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 plus 6. Minus 2 into 11 is minus 22, minus 45 plus 69. Then minus 11, minus 25 plus 39. Or x, y, z is equal to 1. Then minus 67 plus 69 is equal to 2. Then minus 36 and 39 is 3. So which implies x is 1, y is 2, and z is 3. Now the question number 4. Solve. Here equation, look at the equations, 2 by x, 3 by y, 10 by z equal to 4, 4 by x minus 6 by y plus 5 by z is 1, 6 by x plus 9 by y minus 20 by z is equal to 2. So here x is 1 by x, instead of x, y, z we have 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So you can put 1 by x as another variable. Let u 1 by y as v and 1 by z as w. So the equation reduces to 2u plus 3v plus 10w is equal to 4. Next equation, 4u minus 6v plus 5w is equal to 1. The last equation, 6u plus 9v minus 20w is equal to 2. So we have to find u, v, w. From that you will get x, y, z. So first we write matrix, coefficients only, 6, 9, minus 20 into u, v, w is equal to 4, 1, 2. That is Ax is equal to B. From that we can write x is equal to A inverse into B. Then first we have to find A inverse. So for that we have to find determinant A, that is determinant 2, 3, 10, 4 minus 6, 5, 6, 9, minus 20. So that's equal to expansion along R1, 2 into minus 6 into minus 20, that is 120 minus 45, minus 3 into minus 80 minus 30. Then last element 10 into 36 plus 36. So 120 minus 45, how much now? 75. 75 into 2 is 150. Minus 110 into 3 means 330 plus 720. Now what is the sum of these? 720 plus 330 plus 115, that's equal to 0. 1, 2, 0, 0. That is not equal to 0. So A inverse X. So we get a unique solution. Now the next step is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to matrix. The first element 2 is 120 minus 45, that is 75. Positive 75. Second element is minus 80 minus 30 minus 110. So change the sign 110. Third element is 36 plus 36, that is 72. Positive only. The next row minus 60 minus 90, that is minus 150. Change the sign 150. Middle one minus 40 minus 60, that is minus 100. Then 5. 18 minus 18, that's equal to 0. Now last row 15 plus 60, that's equal to 75. 10 minus 40, that is minus 30. Change this sign. The last element minus 18 minus 12, that is minus. Last element is minus 12 minus 12, that is minus 24. No need to change there. So it is minus 24 itself, that is adjoint of A. So what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by 1200 into this matrix. 75, 150, 75, 110 minus 100, 30, 72, 0 minus 24. Now the last step is X is equal to A inverse into B. So X is equal to A inverse is 1 by into B. What is B? B is given as 412. Now we have to multiply, then divide. So 1 by 1200 of 75 into 4 is 300. 300 plus 150 plus 150. Then next row 440 minus 100 plus 60. Now 72 into 4 is 288 plus 0 minus 48. So 1 by 1200 of 300 plus 300 is 600. Then minus 160 becomes minus 40. So that is 400. Then 288 minus 48 is equal to 204, 240. Okay. So what is X? X means X, Y, Z. Sorry, not X, Y, Z. Here we have UVW. UVW is equal to 600 by 1200, 400 by 1200 and 240 by 1200. So which implies UVW is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3. What is the last one? 0 cancel. then 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5. So u is equal to half, v is equal to 1 by 3 and w is equal to 1 by 5. So what is x? X is 1 by x is u. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. You can verify, substitute this in the given equation. If it satisfies, your answer is correct. Okay, thank you.